I am really excited. First project is underway. You guys, look what was in the wall. A whole 6-pack. A whole 6-pack. But oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let me let y'all see the space that's gonna be here. Could you imagine? Because it's gonna be a nice bit of space. It's gonna be a nice bit of space. It's looking so good. So this is the structural here that just been added on, and then one's gonna go down the side of the wall, and then he added this right here on here for support also. But he already said with like this and this, it's already have the support, but I'm just gonna reinforce it just to be 100%. And then what I'm gonna, oh, you know what, I'm not gonna tell you what I'm gonna do because I want y'all to be surprised when you see it. Oh my gosh, you guys, it looks so good. And he made sure to, I'm gonna get the proper name of the wood once I post it up on the blog. That way if you guys are interested in doing something similar in your home, you know what to select. But he did a really good job just making sure that everything was gonna be reinforced again. And then I'm gonna have the city come out to just double check everything before I do the sheetrock. And then I also found something really interesting. The floors aren't glued down, so I'm going to try to salvage as much as possible and see if I could just sell it. And I'm not for anything crazy. So somebody has like a little, I guess technically this could have been like a little she shed or something, but it's not a shed, we all know that. But I do like it. He did a really good job. I'm gonna turn really quickly because what I was thinking is doing a fireplace insert, but I went online and I found a 20 by 21 freestanding fireplace. It's an electric one. It's really nice. So I felt like, okay, I'll do the niche wall here, but then if for some particular reason I'm like, oh, you know what, I want to put the fireplace in front of there, it's also doable. So there's options for that. But it looks really good. It added, in case you couldn't tell on camera, it added an extra 3 feet into the space. So the reason why I did it is because the boards are getting older now. Still, if I had the sofa, if you guys remember in the past, I had the IKEA sofa. Pretty much they were never allowed, not allowed in the sense of like I didn't allow them, but the space didn't allow for them to sit on this side of the wall. They always sat on this side because their feet was just, you know, too long. Now I can put the sofa here, they can sit right here, and if I really, and I mean really wanted to, I could even put a TV right there for them. It's a little low, but it's still like super durable also. But the options are truly limitless. If I just take a little bit of time and put my brain to work, I'm sure I'll come up with something creative to go in this space. The next thing that I'm contemplating is there's an outlet right there. So I'm thinking when the electrician come to do another somewhat of an extension to have an outlet maybe in one of these little walls right here possibly. So that way there can be a plug at the bottom where they can charge their phones and all that stuff. But I really wanted this place to be really functioning for them, so that way they could have the space. And then the base trim is going to come off. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Possibly, not 100% sure, possibly might do a little bit of crown molding. Definitely I want to do some wallpaper in here. I don't know when that's going to get done. I'm not even going to tell you guys like, oh, it'll still be done tomorrow, because probably not. This room already took a little chunk of change from whatever I was going to buy to put in here, but I needed it to be done right now because of the flooring. When they put down the wood flooring, they can go ahead and run everything and just make everything really nice and even and just flow, which is what I wanted. Let me step back, you guys. Look at all that space. Oh my gosh. I know some people are probably going to have something to say because it's like a new build and I'm doing this, but it's really best I do it now while the guys are charging a really, really great price to get this stuff done right now, instead of me waiting when the house is all done, flooring done, everything done, and now I'm trying to rip things out. But either way, whether you do it in the beginning or you do it in the middle, you do it at the end, however you do it, it's going to be up to you. For me, I chose to just do it now just because everything was so fresh. But yeah, it looks really good. I love it. 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 Woo-hoo. All right, you guys, it is pretty much the end of the day. Well, it's 6 o'clock. The guy is finalizing the room that I'm about to turn into my closet. He had to knock a wall down. I don't know if I mentioned this previously, but there was a lot of things that the builder just didn't want to do, and pretty much he came here and he did like the reframing of some of the spaces. Well, not some, two, which you guys saw a little bit earlier, which was the space under the stairs. If you're wondering, it added 3.5 feet to the space down there. And upstairs in the closet, it added like 2 feet, 2.5 feet to the room. Thank you. And I think what he's doing now is gonna be a little bit better. When I was trying to explain it to the builder, I don't think they understood what I was trying to do, and then on top of that, they weren't trying to change the plan either. So that's why I was trying to explain to you guys like some of the things I need to get done now before the flooring goes in, and get it situated. What I'm gonna do now is take you guys upstairs so you can see that room and you can see the reframing. The next thing that has to happen is the electrician has to come out to add a plug in that closet. There's already like I guess like a plug and wiring and an outlet. There's a box. I have to get the outlet, so I'm gonna have him do that, and then the electrical work in the closet, which is a bedroom, that has to be fixed. Regardless to what I was doing, I had to make sure that I kept the room with the closet, so that way it could still be considered a bedroom. So it's still a bed. It's still a bedroom because it has a closet. So I'm really excited. Is your son coming back?
I don't know. I'm gonna call him in just a minute.
You guys, it's gonna be like a long process, but it's gonna be really, 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 really great once everything is done. I am excited because Sherwin-Williams has jumped on board of this, turning my builder-grade home into more of a custom-ish, character-filled home. So in that lower space right there, I think I'm gonna do wallpaper in that room. I'm gonna do wallpaper in the master, and then I'm gonna do wallpaper in the laundry room. And the only reason why I'm saying I'm gonna do wallpaper is I'm not gonna be doing the temporary wallpaper. I felt like in the previous house, I did the temporary wallpaper to see if I could live with it. And it's been about 4.5 years and I still love it. The only thing is I wish I had gone with like the actual grass cloth or the actual birch wood. So I feel like now, because it's like closet space, you know, like the closet down here, the laundry room, which is like a small closet again, and I'm thinking about my closet. I'm not 100% sure, but if I find the right wallpaper, I'll do it. I think doing wallpaper in those spaces will definitely add some character back into those spaces. So things are gonna slowly come together, you know, but I'm really excited for the house. Really excited. I love how everything looks already, and I'm happy that I knocked that space out. I'm happy that I did what I did in the thing. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the room, because I'm like babbling at this point, and I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you guys, and then I'll be back. Okay, if you guys are wondering what's going on, what I had, it was supposed to be 2 closets, right? But the builder wouldn't do the wall like this, so I had to hire someone, because it's only gonna be this closet now. The wall's gonna come here. That's gonna be closed. If you guys remember my closet, it's pretty much gonna go like this, into the nook, and then around. The only bad part is most of my closet is gonna be in the back, but it's fine. You won't see the side paneling as much, but it's a little bit bigger than the previous closet. And so, even if this gets moved out in the future, there'll still be an actual closet here. But it was technically supposed to be 2. But I didn't even want the second one, because I knew I was going to convert it into a closet. But this is what I'm doing. I'm out of breath because I ran downstairs to get the camera, because I came back and I was like, oh my gosh, it looks so good. It looks so good. Happy, happy, joy, joy, happy, happy, joy. I can't wait when you guys see the full out finished space. It's going to look good. If you guys are interested in my laborer, his name is Humberto, and he has his own company where he does framing, he do homes, she sheds, and all that. So he did the framing for this house here. So I came while they were building. I think I mentioned that before. When they were building, I was like, I need your number. So after I get them closing, so it was really good because during framing, as you can see, this is not a load bearing wall. So they actually pre-set it up for me. So that way when I came back, everything would be done perfectly, you guys. I'm so freaking happy. Like, I'm so happy. I may not have had a custom home when I bought, but now that I'm closed, baby, I will have a custom home. I will have a custom home. It looks so good. So that's the room, and you guys saw the closet. The problem that I was having is I could walk into the closet, but I could only do 1 rack, which really didn't make any sense because there's no light in there. And then when I tried to add extra shelving, then I couldn't make myself like get all the way back there. So that side of the closet just at this point just didn't make any sense. So what I did is I measured the wall in the previous house, and I measured this wall, and I took away exactly the measurement to, you know, all that. Yeah. So that's what I did. So that way now the next closet can fit perfectly within that space. So the flooring will be here. I got the phone call today. It will be here by next week. If not at the end of the week, then definitely by Monday or Tuesday. So I already have the flooring guy coming Wednesday. So he's gonna come Wednesday, put everything up, take everything out. The only thing that's left for me to do is, I think I want tile in the laundry room. I have not gone to purchase the tile. I haven't even gone to look at any tile. But if I'm gonna do tile, I need to do it right now. That way that room is done. But I do really love the luxury vinyl that I selected. Just in case you was wondering, I went with the 8mm for the laundry room. It's not like a high traffic area, but in terms of laundry, it's a high traffic area. What else? I think that's it, y'all. Anyway, you guys, have a really great day. I'll see you guys next time. Do not ask me any questions if you see me with this outfit on tomorrow. The only thing that y'all need to know is I took a shower and I changed every single one of my undergarments. But I'm probably gonna put this back on again tomorrow because I don't want to dirty a whole bunch of clothes. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to wear as minimal things as possible so I don't dirty anything. And then when I have to go see a client, I will change my attire. But you guys, have a blessed day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.